NPMA is committed to
encouraging its membership to
embrace diversity and inclusion
as an integral part
in nurturing winning workplace
cultures throughout our industry.
Kevin Moran, Forshaw, showing you the Boston Warehouse and welcoming you to the 2020 Connecticut Virtual Training Seminar. And of course here you see Molly on the phone, managing the warehouse, managing inventory, and we scan over here to Eric. Everybody knows Eric. He kind of the umbrella cover from Maine to Ohio. So if you got a problem, contact Eric, contact Molly. Here we have Jerry Ebbs. Jerry is in the warehouse answering the phone, taking your orders, and covering whatever else isn't covered by the others. And here we have more of our warehouse personnel. Aaron loading up Joseph in the truck, getting ready for more deliveries. Thank you for 2020 and looking forward to 2021.
Hi, don't forget to stop by the virtual Platinum Sponsorship booth for Target Specialty Products. Target Specialty Products is a value-added solutions provider serving pest management professionals with educational opportunities, expert support, and effective products and solutions for all facets of the industry. From your favorite aerosol to anything you might need for an exterior service. We serve from 43 locations in the United States and Canada. Please contact Joe Ferguson at 860-967-4351 for one-on-one support or to schedule a private consultation.
Hello, Connecticut Pest Management Professionals. My name is Walt Weinworm, and I'm the Eastern Regional Sales Manager for Bayer's Pest Management and Public Health Division. I wish I could be attending this event with you guys in person, but these are trying times. I hope this video finds you and your family doing well. We are very thankful that the association has put in the hard work to bring this event to us virtually. And we're as equally thankful that you guys are taking the time to attend and make it successful. I want to thank each one of you guys for your business and especially for your partnership.
Hi, Connecticut Pest Management Pros. I'm Kevin Connolly with Bayer. I look forward to learning a lot and connecting with you at this Connecticut virtual meeting. Yeah, these are tough times, there's no doubt about it. But here's something we all agree on. Our industry is strong, it's resilient, and it's essential to the health and well-being of all the communities in which we live, work, and play. And Bayer is going to be right there with you with all the support you need to be successful. So, thanks for joining us and giving us a chance to connect with you virtually today.
Good afternoon, everybody. Steve Kaczynski with Ancistex. First, I would like to thank all my customers in Connecticut. I do a lot of business there and I appreciate that very much. If you're not familiar with us, a couple of products I would like to point out to you are Maxtor SC, very popular for tick and mosquito work, very broad label. Another product is our Bithor SC. This is a combination of imidacloprid and bifenthrin. It's essentially our Prothor imidacloprid and our Maxtor bifenthrin mixed together. We sell all our products direct. Please contact me if you want any more information. Thank you very much.
Hi, this is Kelly Altland, Senior Technical Representative for Bell Laboratories. I'm sorry that we all can't be together today at the training. However, I hope that you and your families are all doing well, staying healthy and safe during COVID-19. Please check out my vendor page to see information on Bell Lab's newest products, Fast Track Soft Bait, the Evo Tunnel, as well as an addition to the Bell Sensing line with the Ambush Tray. All of these products are currently now available from your local distributor. You can find out more information by visiting www.belllabs.com or www.bellsensing.com. As always, I am always available to you by cell phone 860-918-9229. Thank you so much. Have a great training, and we'll see you soon.
CSI is a mid-sized U.S.-based specialty chemical manufacturer with a long-standing tradition of providing effective and economical solutions to our customers in the pest control, turf and ornamental, consumer products, and professional animal health care markets. We are one of the fastest-growing companies in the industry, and we are a subsidiary of Adama, the 5th largest agricultural chemical company in the world. CSI Pest provides solutions for the professional pest control industry. For more than 60 years, CSI has been a leader in the development of sustainable pest control formulations with the industry's widest array of active ingredients.